Hello everyone, let me share with you a simple and a tasty ice cream recipe. I have taken a thick bottom vessel. Into it I have added 1 beaten egg and 1 liter of boiled milk. Make sure you use boiled milk only. Into this we are adding 380 grams of condensed milk. If you are taking half liter milk, you can take the smaller bottles which is 200 grams. But if I am taking 1 liter of milk, so I am taking 380 grams of condensed milk. Mix it well. If the milk is little warm, it will help you to mix it well. Note that we are not adding any extra sugar. The sweetness of the condensed milk is enough to make this ice cream. Now switch on the gas and keep it at the lowest flame and stir it for 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes a thicker consistency. After 15 minutes you can see it has become little more thicker. Now at this point you can switch off the gas and keep it for complete cooling. At this point I am adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm straining the content so that I get a smooth texture and as well as there is no lumps in my ice cream. And I'm pouring it in a popsicle maker. You can also make it in an ice cube tray. Place this in the freezer for at least 5 hours. After 5 hours, I have taken it out. This is completely ready for having. Hope you will all try this recipe at home. And if you really find it useful, please comment to us. Thank you.